All right, so welcome to Ascension. This is the homepage, and you'll notice that the URL right now is an IP. I'm working on getting a domain name for that, so it won't be as ugly. Yeah, this is the homepage. Here you'll have some information about the game. There's a table of contents of stuff, so you can see like stuff about the interface, what all this means, controls, defaults, how the rotation / kick system works. Um, recommend reading this. Some FAQ stuff doesn't matter. So when you first boot up the game, the first thing you should do is go to the settings page and change your controls. Here you'll see a list of all the controls that you can change, and the box beside them has a number in it that actually represents the JavaScript key code for that control. But actually, you don't need to. That doesn't matter. You just click on the box and then press the key that you want to change it to. So if I want to press, if I want right to be D for some reason, I just press D, and then see it changes. So I'm gonna set it back to what it was originally because that's what I use. And when you're done that, make sure to hit apply user settings, so it saves your controls. Here there's also game settings, which basically what this does is you can change your pieces, and when you either start a single player game or a multiplayer game, if you create the room in multiplayer, that config will be used. This configuration of pieces will be used. So we can go to the single player page, which is the game. Just click game. Greeted with this nice message. So we'll just click restart to start the game, and you can see these are the pieces I've decided to choose. So yeah, you can play it. Great. So I'll just do this for a little bit. Oops. And right now this pending text, I didn't bother to change it, but instead of pending, it should just be like total lines cleared, so you can sort of count how many lines you've cleared so far. Yeah. So in this game, you can also do spins and stuff. Your typical fun stuff. Now we'll check out the map editor. So prior to this version, there's been a lot of maps actually created, but we'll go through the process of making one. So you can select your width, and then just draw a funny picture, or actually make a map. Up to you. And there's some pieces here that you can change. We'll just grab this queue because I'm lazy. Generate. And there you go. Boom. There's a map. You can play this. So yeah, and then there's also this dig mode. Kind of not worth playing either. I haven't really put the polish back on these modes after getting multiplayer working because that took a lot of effort. So we'll work on fixing that soon-ish. But yeah, it's a very typical sort of dig mode. You just need to survive for like 2 minutes, and there's increasing amounts of garbage. It's actually very difficult with these pieces. Not the most well-rounded set of pieces. So yeah, I'm gonna try and get someone to play multiplayer with, and we'll see how that works. All right, so it's later, and I got someone to play. So we're gonna go to the 1v1 page. So here you'll have a go away. Okay, so here you'll have a chat window. You can minimize it with this. Let's change your name. So just refresh the list. There's no rooms right now, so we'll make one. So here you'll have the player list. Right now it's kind of overlapping here, so I'll move it down. Okay, so he's in. You can see he's in playing. So since I created the room, we're gonna use my config. So this will be fun. We'll just wait till he's ready. Okay. Um, Never mind. I reset my config, so we're gonna play with the default config. So, damn it, this is bugged. Oops. So, yeah, this is the game. Right now there's an issue with soft drop, so I'll have to work on fixing that. Oops. Yeah, this is what the game would look like if it was played at a relatively high level. It's still relatively new, so we haven't discovered everything there is to discover, and you know I'm not the best, so there's always room to improve. But we'll give you a general idea of what you should maybe expect. All right, so I won. So says he lost. So I can still move, but he can't because his game is over. And hit start again. So yeah, that's about it for Ascension. The game gets updated pretty frequently. I update it about almost once a day. So if there's any issues, I'll try and fix it as soon as possible. And you can let me know by joining the Discord. The link is in the top right here. So yeah, join the Discord, play the game, have fun. Thanks.